Hello, and welcome to my review video of the 7Artisans 18mm F6.3 Mark II APS-C lens. This lens promises to deliver wide-angle views and sharp images at an affordable price point. In this video, I'll be sharing my experiences using this lens and my thoughts on its performance. The 7Artisans 18mm F6.3 Mark II lens is an upgrade over its predecessor, the first version. The first major difference is the addition of a manual focus ring, which allows for more precise control over focus. As a result, the minimum focusing distance has been reduced to 30 centimeters, compared to approximately 2 meters for the first version. This change opens up many new photography opportunities and compositions. Another significant difference is that the Mark II version looks and feels much more like a traditional lens. The first version had a more unique design that may not have appealed to everyone, so this is a welcome change. When you purchase this lens, you'll also receive a carrying pouch. The 7Artisans 18mm F6.3 Mark II is incredibly lightweight, coming in at only 58 grams, making it an excellent option for travel and hiking. One of the best things about this lens is its price. Currently, it's available for only $59, making it an incredible value for money option for those looking for a wide-angle lens on a budget. Moving on to image quality, the 7Artisans 18mm F6.3 Mark II APS-C lens performs well in some areas and falls short in others. In the center of the frame, the lens delivers decent sharpness and contrast, even when shooting wide open. However, as you move towards the edges and corners of the image, there is noticeable softness and vignetting. This is to be expected from a lens at this price point, but it's worth noting for those who prioritize edge-to-edge sharpness. One thing to keep in mind when using this lens is that it's a manual focus lens. While this may be a drawback for some photographers, it can also be a benefit for others. The manual focus ring is smooth and easy to turn, making it simple to achieve precise focus. It's worth noting that the 7Artisans 18mm F6.3 Mark II APS-C lens is available for Sony E, Fujifilm X, Nikon Z, Olympus M43, and Canon EOS M cameras. This makes it a versatile option for photographers who use different camera systems. In conclusion, the 7Artisans 18mm F6.3 Mark II APS-C lens is an excellent value for money option for those looking for a wide-angle lens on a budget. The addition of a manual focus ring and improved design make it a significant upgrade over its predecessor. While it may not deliver the sharpest images at the edges of the frame, it still performs well in the center of the image and is easy to use. If you're willing to work with manual focus and don't mind some softness at the edges, this lens is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.